Understanding nonprofit organizations, a comprehensive overview. Nonprofit organizations, NPOs, play a crucial role in addressing social issues, providing community services, and supporting various charitable causes. Unlike traditional businesses, which aim to generate profits for owners or shareholders, nonprofits prioritize the benefits they contribute to society. In this article, we will delve deeper into what nonprofits are, their funding sources, operational guidelines, advantages and disadvantages, and the essential differences between nonprofit and not-for-profit organizations. What is a nonprofit organization? A nonprofit organization is an entity designed and operated for purposes that benefit the public rather than for making a profit. These purposes can be diverse, including religious, scientific, charitable, educational, literary, health, and animal welfare missions. Tax-exempt status. In the U.S., many nonprofits enjoy tax-exempt status under Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) tax code. This designation allows them to avoid federal income tax on the money they earn and provides their donors with the ability to deduct contributions from their taxable income. However, to qualify for this status, nonprofits must meet specific requirements, such as serving the public good and filing appropriate documentation with the IRS. The mission of nonprofits. The primary mission of a nonprofit is to serve a social, educational, or charitable cause. This commitment distinguishes them from for-profit entities and requires transparency in financial reporting and operations. Nonprofits often have to file Form 990 with the IRS, which details their revenues, expenses, and activities in a public manner to keep stakeholders informed. Understanding nonprofit organizations, NPOs. Maintaining compliance. To maintain their nonprofit status, organizations must request 501(c)(3) certification and comply with various state regulations governing charitable organizations. This often necessitates dedicated staff, including a Chief Information Officer, CIO, and an accounting team. Nonprofits are required to keep financial records and ensure fair compensation for their employees, promoting transparency and accountability. Political activities. One important regulation is that 501(c)(3) organizations are prohibited from participating in political campaigns or engaging in substantial lobbying activities. This neutrality allows them to maintain trust and credibility within the communities they serve. Funding sources for nonprofits. A significant aspect of nonprofit operation is fundraising. Understanding the various avenues through which NPOs can secure funding is crucial for their sustainability. Below are the primary sources of income for nonprofits. 1. Individual donations. Many nonprofits depend heavily on individual donors, who may contribute money, goods, or services. Donations can be one-time or recurring and may be facilitated through online platforms, direct mail, or fundraising events. 2. Grants. Nonprofits often apply for grants from foundations, corporations, or government agencies. Grants typically fund specific projects, necessitating detailed reporting in compliance with expectations set by the granting entity. 3. Corporate contributions. Corporations can provide monetary donations or in-kind services as part of their corporate social responsibility programs. Many companies also offer matching gift programs, enabling employee contributions to be amplified by the corporation. 4. Major events. Nonprofits frequently host fundraising events such as galas, runs, and auctions to generate income and raise awareness. These events not only contribute financially but also enhance community engagement. 5. In-kind donations. Nonprofits can receive valuable contributions in the form of goods or services, such as equipment, office supplies, or professional services. These donations can help reduce operational costs while allowing the donor to claim tax benefits. Nonprofits versus not-for-profits. While often used interchangeably, non-profit, and not-for-profit denote different types of organizations. Non-profit organization, NPO, designed to serve a public benefit. NPOs pursue missions that benefit society at large. Not-for-profit organization, NFPO, primarily exists to serve its members, like a sports club, rather than the community. NFPOs often finance their operations through membership fees and may not offer the same tax benefits. Advantages of nonprofits. Operating as a nonprofit has its advantages. Mission-driven focus. Nonprofits are centered around achieving a specific social good, which foster a sense of purpose among staff. Tax exemptions. Because they are exempt from income taxes, nonprofits can redirect more funds toward their programs and services. Diverse funding sources. They have access to varied funding options, enhancing their financial sustainability. Volunteer support. Many nonprofits benefit from motivated volunteers who are passionate about the cause. Disadvantages of nonprofits. However, nonprofit organizations also face challenges. Unpredictable revenue streams. Reliance on donations and grants can lead to financial instability. Limited scalability. Nonprofits often struggle to expand their operations due to limited resources. Lower compensation. Salaries in nonprofits can be lower than in for-profit sectors, making it challenging to attract top talent. Conclusion. Nonprofit organizations are pivotal in contributing to social welfare and enhancing community well-being. While they face challenges unique to their operational model, their focus on service and societal benefit sets them apart from traditional businesses. Seeking funding, maintaining compliance with regulations, and fulfilling their missions are critical to their ongoing viability. By gaining a better understanding of how nonprofits operate, the public can support these organizations more effectively, ensuring that they continue to serve the community and drive positive change.